Hey guys, it's Ray from CMA. So where I am right now, I'm in a mountain of dust, like everywhere. So this hood is now 90% stripped. It was nothing but a sheet of body filler, unnecessarily. They just slathered on a mound of body filler, sanded it, and did no sheet metal work whatsoever. The hood actually doesn't feel too bad. It's got little deviations in the middle here. I can feel it. It's got some work to be done. But you do the metal work first, then you do the body filler work. Because when you don't do that and you don't prep, these are the things that you get. You get this, and you get things like this. Now see these bubbles? Let me get my little pick tool. Let me find my pick tool. I can't. I don't see it. Let me grab this. Okay, so these bubbles, each one of these bubbles is a rust hole. See that? Here goes Fred. Look at that. That's rust. This right here. Look at it. All that. Rust. This is what happens when you don't prep well. You get problems. So just a little quick lesson for you again. I've already said it once, but I'm just gonna just showing you one more time. Preparation is so important. This whole hood is it's full of rust. All those spots. It's like measles. Rust all over the place. Look at that. It's crazy. So this whole hood has to be treated. So I'm gonna finish DAing off all this now. This was taken down with 36 on a 5-inch grind disc, and I'm just finishing it. It probably took me 3 hours just to get all this body filler off. Now I have to go back over it and finish taking the rest off with the 36 on the DA, and then I'll go down to 80. And then from there, I will continue to chemically treat the rust, or I don't know, I'll make a decision at that point. Actually, this is the only area on the hood that was primer only. There was no body filler in this one area. Congratulations, guys. You did great. All right, men. Ladies, I will talk to you soon in the next video. Have a great one.